Hey, this is Eric with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the plastic covers that are on your old battery and put them onto your new battery. So, to get started, what we're going to do is two methods. The first one, if you guys have a heat gun or like a hair dryer, what you want to do is you want to just apply some heat to this plastic like glue right here. And you don't want to do a lot because you might damage the plastic housing. So you're just gonna aim this way, have the heat pushing out this way. That way you're not putting unnecessary heat on the plastic cover right here. So I'm just gonna heat it up for about 5 seconds. And then I'm gonna grab my flathead, or you can use a pry tool, and you're just gonna try to peel away at that while it's still hot. As you can see there, it wasn't on there too hard. And then for the second one, I'm gonna use the pry tool. Either or works. And then I'm just pulling the wire up here to make sure all of the adhesive is gone. That is holding the wire down. Now, all you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull up, and you can kind of hear that noise. That's the adhesive coming off. So I'm just gonna hold the plastic housing and pull this wire up slowly, and just like that, you have your cover off. I'm gonna do it for the other side as well. And if you did want to save this, you could use a pry tool. I would not recommend using your flathead, since your flathead has a very high chance of piercing the battery. So I'm just going to use this pry tool, and I'm going to gently push up. Just like that, got the other side off. Now that I have both of my plastic hinges, I'm going to grab my battery. And we do sell this battery on our website. We also sell the flathead and the pry tool. I'm just going to peel this adhesive off with my fingers. And now that I have the adhesive off, I will be placing it into the plastic covers. Again, this is really simple, really easy process, and it doesn't matter how you place it in. You don't have to be like super careful with the wire or anything. Just should fit in snug like so. You just want to make sure that when you're placing it in, the wire comes into here and it's not tearing or being torn in any other way. See right there, it looks like the wire's not able to come in all the way, so I'm just gonna make sure all the plastic's out here.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Just snipping away the extra plastic that was there. And I'm gonna fold this ribbon right here. Just fold it like this, and then fold it like this, so it's against this in a more flush manner. That's all the folding you need to do for your battery ribbon. The last step is you're going to want to grab a glue gun, and you want to apply just a little bit where the old glue was to protect this wire right here. Otherwise you're going to be leaving it exposed to all of the elements, and it doesn't have to look pretty. As you can see, I'm not a professional, but it'll get the job done. got some strings there. Sometimes what I also do is I will add my own little like flat head to smooth it out while it's still semi gooey, and then I'll do the side as well just to make sure it's nice and flush and nothing is sticking up. If it is sticking up, you could just snip away at the glue until it's flush with until it is flush with the plastic housing here. After that, you can install the battery into your headphones. That is how to install the plastic covers into your new battery. Hope you all have a good day. Peace out.
If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.